Sri Manache Shlok, Shloka number 42, English translation and explanation. Sri Manache Shlok were written by Samarth Ramdas Swami. They are a dialogue with our mind. बहुता परी हेचियाता धरावे रघुनायका आपुले से करावे दीनानाथ है तोडरी ब्रीद गाजे मना सज्जना राघवी वस्ती कीजे. After having said many times, listen again and do everything so that Lord Rama will give you the place at his feet. Lord Rama is the Lord of the humble ones, and hence, O my mind, keep him always with you. Some of the keywords used in this shloka are Bahutapari means beyond everything else. Todari means an ornament worn on the legs. Dinanath means Lord of the humble ones. In the last 5 shlokas, including this, Samarth Ramdas Swami is engraving the thought that we need to ask our minds to settle down in that place where God resides. Shloka 38 was about not insulting anyone ever, which would be the same as insulting God. Shloka 39 was about giving the restlessness of our mind to God, Lord Rama. Shloka 40 was about applying the power of discrimination to change the false ideas about happiness and pleasure. Shloka 41 was about making sure that we don't exhaust our body and mind in going after the mirage of happiness and pleasure, and instead to focus internally. In this shloka, Samartha Ramdas Swami is saying that now I have reiterated this idea with you that leave everything else and surrender to God, Lord Rama. Lord Rama is known as the Lord of those who are humble and are true devotees. This is his motto, and that can be heard in the sound of the anklets he wears. He is the one who will help you achieve the peace and true happiness you deserve, and which is beyond the materialistic pleasures. It is to be found only by looking internally within us. As Vivekananda also has said, happiness belongs to him who knows this oneness, who knows he is the one with this universe. Happiness is not something out there, so there is no point in looking it everywhere and postponing it to the future. Know that we can decide to be happy in every moment we live, and God will help us achieve that. बहुता परी हेचियाता धरावे रघुनायका आपुले से करावे दीनानाथ हे तोडरी ब्रीद गाजे मना सज्जना राघवे वस्ति कीजे. If you liked this video, share, feel free to comment and subscribe to the channel A Dialogue with Our Mind. जय जय रघुवीर समर्थ